Ah, yes, soon. Ah, good morning. It is very, very early on Sesame Street, but I, the Count, am up already because I like to start my counting day by counting. You'll soon see. Ah, yes, here is Susan now. One stretch and one yawn. And there is Bob. That's two stretches and yawns. And Big Bird? Three stretches and yawns. Ah, good morning, David. That's four stretches and yawns. Oh, good morning.
Good morning.
That's five stretches and yawns. And when I count stretches and yawns, it makes me, the Count, want to stretch and yawn. That is six stretches and yawns. Now one more. Yes, Oscar, the old grouchy one. Ah, seven stretches and seven yawns. And one yucky bugle call.
Oscar!
Hey, right time to rise and shine. Wake up, you sleepyheads. Out of the sack.
Oscar, put that bugle down! Oscar. Oscar! If you don't knock off that blasted bugle! Oscar!
What is wrong with you? Are you freaking out? Oscar, you know what time it is? It's early in the... Now, look, Oscar, that is not the kind of thing to be doing so early in the morning, you know.
Yelling.
Do you know how irritating that is to the ear?
Two yucky bugle
I'm
calls.
gonna count to 10, Oscar.
Oscar!
You put that bugle down. I count to 10. You are in big old trouble, man. Big old trouble, you know what I mean? 10. What are you laughing at?